Welcome to Beauty School. This is Stylist John B. Taylor II. I am working on short hairstyle. I'm working on a molded curl style. Today I'm going to be giving her a what you would call a shave size. I'm going in with a number 4, and I'm going to cut the size down because I have clients that want the Storm from X-Men look, the Holly Berry Storm from X-Men look, where she had like the punk rock top and the shaved sides. So I'm going to shave her size down with a number 4 right now. I'm starting off by going with the grain. I'm going to come back in and line her up.